సినీ పరిశ్రమలో ఇప్పుడు రాజ్ తరుణ్ ఇష్యూ సంచలనంగా మారింది. అయితే ఇప్పటికే రాజ్ తరుణ్ లవర్ అని చెప్పి లావణ్య ఫిర్యాదు చేసింది. అయితే లావణ్య ఫిర్యాదులో మౌని మల్హోత్రా పేరు కూడా రావడం జరిగింది. అయితే మౌని మల్హోత్రా ప్రేమలో పడిపోయి తనను పూర్తిగా వేధిస్తున్నాడని చెప్పి రాజ్ తరుణ్ మీద అటు నార్సింగ్ పోలీసులో లావణ్య ఫిర్యాదు చేసింది. ప్రస్తుతానికి మౌని మల్హోత్రా మనతో ఉన్నారు. మేడం, మీ పేరుని లావణ్య చెప్పడం జరిగింది, కంప్లైంట్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. అసలు నిజంగా ఏం జరిగింది చెప్పొచ్చు?
I really don't know who is Lavanya. I have no idea who is she, and I never met her also. I have never seen her in real life, and she has whatever she has said about me, my family and brother, it's all false allegation, and I'm going to take action against it for sure.
तो कुछ रिलेशन है आपको, राज तरुण आपका बीच में कुछ रिलेशन है बोल के बोलो, उसका क्या?
Raj Tarun, we are co-actors. We acted in a film together, and this is the only thing we had. And we only spoken about films, whatever we spoke, and there's no relation between me and Raj Tarun.
कुछ ड्रग्स इस्तेमाल करते हैं, ड्रग्स को यूज़ करने के बाद में राज तरुण तो लावण्या पूरा हमारे को अटैक करा बोल के बोल रहे हैं, उसके बारे में क्या बोल?
It's all false allegations, sir. It's all false allegations. People say a lot of things, but you can't change the facts and truths. So I'll definitely file a complaint and we'll take it ahead.
आपका भाई भी उनको डरा है बोल के, वो तो मार लेता बोल के,
It's all false allegation, and I have all the proofs against it.
क्यों आपको टारगेट करे लावण्या? उसका बारे में क्या बोल
I
सकते हैं?
want to ask Lavanya this question: why she is targeting me? I have said nothing against her. Rather, she was, calling me and texting me and my family and brother, stay away from Raj. We have never, been with Raj. And when film shoot completed, that time she called. And I stopped talking to Raj for 6 months because of this girl, because I don't want any problems in my life. Again, film promotion started. I spoke to Raj. Again, she started harassing me and my family mentally. It's a mental harassment she has done to us. अभी तक मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला because I didn't want it, to spoil my reputation. My film is releasing. I want to promote my film because I want to focus on my career. This unnecessary harassment and tensions I don't want in my life, and I really don't know why she's doing it to me, and I really don't know what Raj and her they both have in between. I really don't know.
कभी भी फ़ोन करके कुछ वो बात करे क्या लावण्य से? लावण्य से कुछ फ्रेंडशिप है आपका?
कॉल करके थ्रेट किया है मुझे और मेरी फैमिली को भी. हाँ, किया है. आई हैव ऑल. शी सेज डोंट टॉक टू राज, एंड आई विल टेल यू ऑनेस्टली. September last year, August, September, my last schedule of this film was going on. That time she called me and she asked me not to talk to Raj. I told Raj that this woman called me and she's asking me to not to talk to you. So he asked me to block her, and then when I blocked her, she called my parents. I want to know from where she got my parents' number. Raj, I never gave my parents' number to Raj. From where she got my number? Please find out. From where she got my dad's number, from where she got my brother's ID, everywhere. Please find. मेरे पापा ने आज तक किसी को नंबर नहीं दिया है. My father's number nobody has. From where she got my father's number? When she abused my family, I told Raj very clearly कि I don't want all these obligations in my life. So let's not talk to each other. We acted in a film. We only talk when the work is there. So me and Raj stopped talking. October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March, 6 months, no conversation, no text, no message. March onwards, film song release started and all the promotion, our WhatsApp group started of all the promotions. So we had to talk. We have work. See, we are actors. We have to talk to each other. We have work. When we started talking for the promotion, she again started calling and harassing me and my family. So what is my fault? Please tell me what is my fault that I acted with Raj. This is my fault. Why they are spoiling my reputation? I have not done anything to Lavanya. I have never met her. मैंने उसको देखा भी नहीं है सामने से वो कैसी दिखती है. I have never met her. I have never met any of my brother, my family. They live in Himachal. They don't even know who is she. So false allegation on my brother, on my family, we can't take it. We have all the proofs of whatever she has called to my family and everyone. We'll send it to the cops and we'll take it ahead after that.
कैसा डरा रहता है वो? तो क्या मान लेता है, नहीं तो वो राज को छोड़ दो, कैसा डराता है? क्या मैसेज कर रहे थे, व्हाट्सएप कर लेता है?
Don't talk to Raj. I'm not talking to Raj. I'm only talking for work. I don't know. Please ask Lavanya. What is the reason? I don't know. मुझे कुछ नहीं बोला उसने. वो सिर्फ फ़ोन करके चिल्लाती है. एंड जो उसने ऑडियो लीक किया है ना, यू लिसन टू दैट ऑडियो वेरी क्लियरली. मैंने उसमें क्लियरली बोला आई एम नॉट इन टच विद राज फ्रॉम लास्ट 8 months. Please listen to audio. That audio, it's trending everywhere. I've clearly said in that audio, I'm not in touch with Raj from last 8 months. This is your issue. You, Raj, please sort it out and keep me out of it. But I don't know why she's involving me in all of that. I have nothing to do with her and nothing to do with Raj.
आपका भाई तो उनको डराया बोल के, वो तो मारने तो बोल
कहाँ
के
डरा है? एक बार दिखाइए ना हमें, कॉल लिस्ट दिखाइए, मैसेजेस दिखाइए, प्लीज शो अस, विल सी दैट. देर इज़ नो प्रूफ फॉर दैट. सो अगर आप झूठे झूठे फॉल्स एलिगेशंस लगाओगे, ऑब्वियसली इट्स गोना बी बेसलेस.
आपका पापा से फ़ोन करके क्या बोले?
मेरे फादर ने उसका फ़ोन ही नहीं उठाया है. आई हैव नंबर ऑफ मिस्ड कॉल्स फ्रॉम हर नंबर, नंबर ऑफ टेक्स्ट फ्रॉम हर टू माई फादर. आई सबमिट ऑल ऑफ दैट टू द कॉप्स एंड दे विल टेक द एक्शन अगेंस्ट इट.
तो क्या है आपका फाइनल का वादा, क्या है आप फाइनल वर्ड का है?
I just request people, please, don't put false allegation on me. And I request, I don't know what problem she has with me. I have never seen her in my life. Who is she? What relation she has with Raj? I don't know anything. So please, I request audience, I request people, media to keep me out of this. I am nowhere related to it. And whatever the false allegation she has put on me, my family, I'll fight for it. Because it will spoil my reputation, and this is a complete character assassination of me. Because this is my first Telugu film and she has completely character assassinated me, and this is not right what she has done.
आज आप वो दोनों के मिलके ड्रग्स ले लेते, ड्रग्स का आवाज़ में कुछ कर लेते बोल के, वो तो उन्होंने बोल रहे हैं ना, तो उसका बना उन्होंने लावण्य बोल रहे हैं.
See, people say a lot of things. She got caught in a drug case. We don't know about it. I didn't even know that she has got caught in the drug case. My producer told me Hero girlfriend got caught. I didn't even know about it. So I really don't know from where these false allegations are coming. But yes, we'll fight for it and we'll definitely go it legally. Yeah. Thank you.
రాజ్కు నాకు ఎలాంటి సంబంధం లేదు, కేవలం సినిమా పరంగానే సంబంధం ఉంది. 8 నెలల పాటు మేము మాట్లాడుకోలేదు. తర్వాత షూటింగ్ మొదలైంది, ఇప్పుడు సినిమా విడుదల సిద్ధమైంది. అయితే లావణ్య ఉద్దేశపూర్వకంగా తన క్యారెక్టర్ పైన తన సినిమా విడుదల సందర్భంలో తనను పూర్తిగా డిఫేమ్ చేయాలనే ప్లాన్ తోటే ఆమె ఈ విధంగా కుట్ర చేసి తప్పించి నాకు రాజుకు ఎలాంటి సంబంధం నుంచి మౌని మౌలత చెప్తున్నారు. అయితే ఈ వ్యవహారం పైన అటు లావణ్య మాత్రం తీవ్రమైన ఆరోపణలు చేసింది. ఆరోపణలు మొత్తం కూడా మౌని మౌలత కొట్టివేసింది. అయితే రాజుకు నాకు ఎలాంటి సంబంధం లేదు, మేము కేవలం ఫ్రెండ్స్ మాత్రమే ఉన్నాం, సినిమా పరంగా మాత్రమే ఉన్నామని చెప్పి అటు చెప్తున్నారు. కెమెరా పర్సన్ సంతోష్తో రమేష్ వెట్లా ఏంటి.